Morning children, now I am going to say about the revision, annual revision from the maths for standard 5th. So choose the correct answer I will give with answers and the options. So you take a notebook and make a down in your classwork. So from this we will ask the questions everything. So write this one children in the classwork. So first one is 7 plus 8 box 20 divided by 2. So in this you have to put the symbol. Which one greater than, less than or equal. So here 7 plus 8, what is the answer? That will be 15. Okay. So in this 20 divided by 2 is 10. So 15 is greater than 10. Then put the arrow mark like this. Then 6 plus 2 box 4 into 2, that is equal to 6 plus 2 is 8 and 4 2s are 8. So that is equal symbol you have to put. Here the option is equal and B is greater and C is less than. Then third one, m divided by 1 is equal to m. So what all we are given in the choose. So go through this and write the answers properly and clearly children. Note down this one in your class. Everybody must write. Fourth one, the product of a number and a zero. A product of number and a zero is answer is 0 only. Product of multiply. Okay, yeah. So product of a number and a zero. And a zero is dash. So the answer is 0. So A is 0 and B is the number and C is the product. And fifth one, rupees 6 is equal to, rupees 6 is equal to dash paise, that is equal to 600 paise. Okay, so you know this very well. So answer is 500 and B is 600 and C is 400. So write the answers correctly children. And sixth one, rupees 1000 minus rupees 230, that is equal to rupees 770. So your option is rupees 770 and B is rupees 700 and C is rupees 600. Seventh one, fractions with same denominator. Fractions with same denominator are called like fractions. Like fractions. So option is like fraction, unlike fraction and mixed fraction. So and C is mixer. Okay. Let's see, 8 one is 2 by 6 plus 4 by 6, that is equal to 1. So A is 2 plus 4 is 6. Up 6 by 6, that is equal to 1 only. You should not write 6 by 6. So now options in fraction options on the whole numbers you have to write like this only. You should not write in the fraction. 1 by 7 into 4. So that is equal to 4 by 7 is the answer. So A is 4 by 7. 4 by 7, B is 7 by 4 and C is only the 4 is the answer. Then 10th one, in 0.1. 0 is called as dash number, dash part, that is whole part. Decimal ku munadi irukkiradhu vandu whole part. So your option is whole. This is decimal or fraction. Okay. So choose வந்து 10 கொடுத்திருக்கேன். So this choose la any 5 or anything like that we will give. Okay. So go through all this. Answer also I have given. So answer correct follow பண்ணுங்க. Next we'll move on to the next one is match the following. This I'll give the straight answer. I am not going to give the exchangeable answers, only the straight answers I mean rupees 75 into 5, that is equal to rupees 375. This is the correct answer I am giving, so don't confuse yourself. 6 into 4 is equal to box minus 6. That gives you, in the box you have to write 30. That is 6 4s are 24. So dash minus 6, எதுலேருந்து minus பண்ணா 24 வரும், 30லேருந்து 6 minus பண்ணா 24 வரும். So you think like that, okay? 6 4s are 24. So 24 ஓட 6 add பண்ணா தான் 30 வரும். So 30லேருந்து 6 minus பண்ணா தான் that gives you the 24. The third one, 21 by 35. அப்போ 3 by 5, that is from the 7 table. 7 3s are 21, 7 5s are 35. 2 by 5 and 3 by 7. So 2 by 5 and 3 by 7 is a like fraction because different denominators are there. And numerator is smaller than the denominator, so that's it known as the like fraction. So 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8 plus 2 by 8, that gives you 6 by 8. 0.8 can be written as 8 by 10. 6.9 can be written as 69 by 10. 38.9. 38.5 can be written as 385 by 10. Then 9th one, 20.7. 207 by 10. And the last one, 0.4, that is 4 by 10. 4 by 10. Okay. So this is it. Now the third one is say true or false. Say true or false. First one, 9 plus 4 is less than 12, that is false. Second one, 112 is equal to 112, that is true. And third one, 49 by 7 is greater than 7, false, because that is equal only. Okay. And fourth one, this is the book itself you are having, 21 plus 0 is equal to 21, that is true. Then fifth one, 4 into 3 is equal to 3 into 4, that is true. 10 into 2 is less than 15 plus 20, false. Sorry, greater than. Then seventh one, 6 into 5 is equal to 32 minus 2, that is true. 4 into 3 is equal to 3 into 4, that is also true. So 8 I gave. Right. Now the next Roman letter is 4th one. Do the sums. So I'll do the 5 sums now. Do the sums. Add the following. Add the following. So in this add the following, I have given the numbers. So listen carefully. A sum rupees 9,978.75 plus rupees 95.50 plus rupees 635 rupees. So 3 numbers I gave. So just take it out and write rupees and paise. Okay. So add பண்றதுக்கு இந்த column வச்சுக்கோங்க. Now 9,978 dot வச்சுட்டு 75 paise. Then the 50, then put the dot here, 5, 9, 6 and 7. 0, 0, 5, 3 and 6. So you add, put the plus sign and add. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 0 is 12 only. So you put 2 and carry over 1. 1 plus 89. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. Carry over 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 17 plus 3 is 20. Then 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. 17 plus 6 is 23. Then 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. So this is the answer. That is, answer is take down and write. Answer is rupees 18,309 rupees 25 paise. In this B sum also is there. So you do this by yourself, the B sum. I'll just give the number. 8,987.75 plus rupees 9,000 rupees 7,601. So this sum you can do it by yourself, B sum. Now the second sum is subtract the following. Subtract the following. That is, A sum is rupees 49689 minus rupees 3,320 paise. So you can write rupees and paise. So 49689. Sorry, not rupees and paise. So they given only in rupees. Okay. Rupees and paise. Here paise is 00. In this sum they didn't give the paise. So you can write 20 and 6, 4, 3 and 3 and put the minus sign, whether it is a plus or minus you put. 0 minus 0 is 0 always. 0 lo 2 pogadilya. So you can borrow. If you borrow, this will become 10 and this will become 8. So that's why I put the line here so that you can able to write the carryover. So 10 minus 2, that gives you the 8. And the paise ka point, because you put the point, 8 minus 6, that will go gives you 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 minus 3 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6 and this 4. So in the numbers of day putting now, you will get the answer. So answer is rupees 46342.80. So உங்களுக்கு ஒரு இதில் பைசே கொடுக்கலனா you can put 00 and then subtract it. இங்கே வந்து வெறும் rupees தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, இங்கே rupees and பைசே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. So you can put 49,689 rupees 00 paise, and after that you can put 3,346 rupees 20 paise. So இப்போ numbers எழுதும்போது from the இதுலேருந்து லெஃப்ட்லேருந்து எழுதிட்டு வாங்க. You can write from the ones, இங்கேருந்து தான் நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும். So paise ke nara dot is you put the dot. Now B sum you can do it by yourself. So make a note down this 688 minus rupees 215. So in this sum neengle padi paarenga, okay. And now the next one is answer the following is multiply. Answer the following. In this answer the following rupees 98725 into 5. So you multiply this number into 5. So 5 5s are 25, carry over 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, carry over 1. 5 7s are 35 plus 1 36. 5 8s are 40 plus 3 43, carry over 4. 5 9s are 45 plus 4 49. So this is the answer. Answer is rupees you put 49,493 rupees 625. Okay. So one sum only gave, and then fourth sum is divide. In this divide, rupees 324.52 divided by 28. So you can put the rough column here and write the 28 tables. So 28 ones are 28. 28 into 2, you multiply the number. 2 8s are 16, carry over 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Because you don't know the 28 table, so நம்ம என்ன பண்ண straight away multiply பண்ணிக்கலாம். 28 into 3, 3 8s are 24, carry over 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. 28 into 4, that gives you, so I'll write as it is. You can multiply and see the number. 28 into 5, 140 into 6, 168. 28 into 7, 104. But division we have to write the tables properly. Then only we can be able to divide then see the answer correctly, children. So multiply பண்ணும்போது கரெக்டாக பண்ணுங்க. The answer is 280. 252. So you can divide பண்ணும்போது 324.52. So 28 ones are 28. That is put. I'll do this that side. So this is the last one. And 2 divided by 28. So here you can divide because அங்கே இடம் இல்லை, ஸோ நான் இங்கே டிவைட் பண்ணுறேன். 28 பண்ணும்போது 28 ones are 28. இதை மைனஸ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா 44. Again 1 times 28. That gives you 8. 14 8 போச்சுன்னா 6, 3 2 போச்சுன்னா 1, and inga 4 நம்ம எடுத்துட்டதால see this 4 it comes down and 5 I am going to take it, so put the paise, so that gives you 140 and 5 and 2 and this 2, so that gives you 252, that gives you the 9 times. Okay, 5 times is the 9 times. So answer is rupees 11 rupees 59 paise. Okay, so now the fifth one, the last sum, which is smaller in fraction, which is smaller in fraction. So write down all the questions in your notebook and make a note down in the answer, children. Yes, sum 10 by 42 1 by 42. So in the box la vandu edu chinnadhu eludunga. Next one is 31 by 37 box greater than 15 by 37. So up to this we will finish this, children. So till 5 sums you have completed. Next we can see it in the next class. Thank you.